Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are using assault rifle with a built-in crones. Well, it doesn't actually have a built-in crones, but it actually wants to have the monolithic suppressor for the new TR2 assault rifle. SMG with a monolithic suppressor, vertical foregrip, full autos in the mid, quick draw grip, and auto T2R auto conversion. For the aimies, we have the Willis 3 times, reinforced barrel, vertical foregrip, extended MiG 1, and NATO overpressure rounds. So let's get into this. The Cronus. Are you in the Gref Nova? Oh, not mil. Not many people are gonna land bio. These people are probably landing industries or prison. Yep. So that's how that means they're land industries. So as long as he doesn't. Oh. 3 squads. Oh, it's a Ninja Turtle. I saw the pre-game lobby. There, boys, start the shower. If a game's gonna take a shower, it's gonna be in COD. There we go. Scrub it up good.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Got the key card. Now it's time to run. Good deal, like a deal, like a deal. Give me your GPR. And the GPR is really good too. GPR in the ambies will be better than you expect. Cypher's really good too. And guys, can you guys tell me if you want me to play Verdant or not? I'm pretty most likely gonna post a Verdant video. So comment if you actually like Verdant or you only really like. He had a header, dude. No, my key got hurt. There's an LC10, so.
This is Nova. I'm back in the AO.
Go get after it.
Oh, don't land there. I'm just gonna land tents and hope for. After the best helmet's resurgence timer to start
Got gas moving in.
and comes back up.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Mm.
25 still active in the AO.
Oh, spy station's gonna be sketchy though. No. Pro tip, if you're scared of anything, just go in the water. No one ever finds you in the water.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
How did you get me, dude? Man's insane and everywhere.
Good to be back
Stand
on the
by for
battlefield.
redeployment.
Okay, it should get me close to enough for a loadout. Or enough for a loadout. Activate resurgence. Activate!
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Take this built-in crones from this gun.
Reloading.
We're not. Oh my god! This little stupid zombie guy is everywhere! Oh my god, I'm actually kind of done with the zombie guy.
Over. I'm back in the AO.
No way, that's not even busy. I can land by this point, dude. No, there's someone here. No! Oh my god! Why isn't...
25 remain.
Oh my god,
The
dude.
enemy took that one, but we'll get them back. Resurgence. Survive the timer to secure redeployment. Earn points to speed up the countdown.
We're gonna drop in here at bio. Right out of the plane like this.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
A lot of people are gonna land here now since they have Secret Nova.
UAV standing by.
Switching mags. Self-revive kit here.
The geeker, I don't care about this money, thank you.
Requesting recon flyover.
Oh, guys, don't like go too close. I don't gonna be fine. It's normally walking like this, right? Also, someone already got like their perks and everything. And over here now, like ghost. Then
Priority tasking request received. We're done.
Reloading.
Enemy UAV is online.
how did I not finish him off with that? No! Oh my god, dude! Now I didn't get my key card. Why, dude?
You're getting another.
It's always one person. I killed him at the beginning. Now they're gonna start killing me over and over all the time now. I know how this game. I am so ignorant of this game. Why did I do that? Why did I not pull my parachute? I had to glitch. Well, I'll try not to die. I'm gonna show you guys the cool thing.
Looks like a solid LZ to me.
Now come up here, grab a gun.
The area. Watch the sky.
One. Two. Where's the horn thing? I have to honk it 3 times. Where's my...
Take a seat, you git.
Where's the horn? Oh. It's coming. I dropped it. Maybe it's only twice, but I thought you had to do it 3 times, but if you honk it enough, it'll drop a care package thing. Nothing. Even though you have nothing to. this shotgun trade for?
Enemies dropping into the AR.
I'll take a Amy's.
Changing mags.
Okay, I see that no more Amy's. It's really good. Do we have enough for a loadout? Let's pop this.
Requesting recon
Precision airstrike
flyover.
standing by.
And you looked AFK. Oh, a camper in the corner! No! No! Oh, my money's gone. Oh my! So bad at the game, dude. I didn't just play it anymore. About dying from the worst people in the whole entire world. Come in here, grab as much.
Gas is closing in.
Changing mag.
I factor those people. We have 6K.
Loadout drop.
Even though she has nothing to lose. Ow!
They're on me. Switching mags.
Oh my god, dude. What? Dude, it's absolutely insane. Whenever I have a really good assault. Why did I have my assault rifle out? What am I doing? Selling so bad. I am selling, dude. What's funny is that loadout landed right where I deployed my loadout. Is that like a coincidence or is that like a sign? Or like good luck or something? What the? No, he's using my gun, and they pulled out not even my gun. Pulled out a sniper, headshots me in the face. Oh my god!
This is over.
I'm telling you, I can't even play my game anymore. I just want to play the game without selling every 5 seconds. That would be nice for once.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Who is the AK-74? Who actually uses the AK-74 nowadays? What's their other gun? PPSH? Sure, I guess.
You want to get me, give you a win?
1 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4. And nobody want to be no more.
Are you joking,
25
kid?
remaining.
No, I'm not! That gets slammed!
You're...
I'm selling. Oh my god! Why is up with people sniping nowadays too? There's a sniping problem in this game and everything. Game has too many problems that make the game not as fun to play.
Switching mags.
Were they teaming?
Found some loot here.
Well, let's check this is solos.
Ground, move it.
Like jump in the water, deploy it. On the side of the smoke.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Yes, land in the water. Boom. My loadout. Now TR2, do me some good. Amy's, do me even better. Okay? I'm selling. You need to carry me, loadout. Like, I almost got slammed by the bot, dude. It's not actually a bot, but dude, I actually almost got slammed.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Like a bounty? No, it's a supply run. It was like 17K for some reason. Self-res.
UAV available for tasking.
Requesting recon flyover.
UAV standing by.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy soldier incoming.
UAV exiting AO. Package available for delivery. UAV available for tasking. Hand cannon locked and loaded.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
UAV standing by.
Requesting
Hand
recon
cannon
flyover.
available.
Enemy UAV is online.
Unless I'm like an SMG using it though.
Inbound.
Thanks for the work. UAV overflight terminated.
Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices. Precision airstrike ready for tasking.
Requesting airstrike. Target marked.
Hand cannon locked and loaded.
This is Longbow 3-1. Target acquired. Strike inbound. Impact. No hit. Surgeons is close. No more second chances.
End game industries or no end game chemical.
Supply crates are restocked. Advise you to load up now.
That built-in crones basically, dude.
You're almost done here.
I don't normally beam like that, but man, doesn't this?
Hostile UAV in the
They're
area.
coming for me.
Stop it, dude. We don't need to do long range like this. We can. So.
Gas is moving.
Move up. Sound. Get off the head glitch. No! Stop using shotguns! No one likes shotguns. Oh my god, dude.
They hit us hard that
And he stole my guns! Oh my god!
pack out there.
Changing mags.
Why do you have to steal my guns? Such a bot, dude. He's such a bot. Oh my god. So guys, that's for our video. And bye.